Yo, walk on people. Today's a very exciting day. For those of you who don't know, I have a window cleaning business, and this year I'm on track to scaling it. And guess what? Today we're training our very first salesman. So I basically already did a little presentation with them explaining what the business is and what the salesman position is. And today's actually when it starts. You know, we're going door knocking, so it's gonna be a little more hands-on. I'm gonna be knocking, they're gonna be shadowing me, and then they're gonna be knocking. I'm gonna give them feedback. And then after this, they should be good to go. And I'm just so excited, you guys don't understand. I've been waiting for this moment for so long, and the day has finally come. So today I'm gonna be documenting the progress. Also, I'm gonna show how much they make, because as of right now, it's March, and the streets are actually untapped. I've already gone 3 clients in like only an hour of knocking. So I know it's really possible for them to make sales. Like honestly, the streets are so untapped. I know for a fact if they really want to, they're gonna make money. And the boys I selected, they actually wanna make money. You know, they're friends, they wanna learn how to sell, and they want just like a chill job that they have control over and they don't have a firm schedule. So I'm excited, they're excited, and I know you're excited to see what's gonna happen. Real quick before we start, what is this? No, not Aaron Judge. What is this? Damn, do you guys hate me or something? Drop a sub right now if you want to keep seeing these videos. Anyways, it's time to get dressed. We're gonna get dressed for the day, but real quick, this is the fit right now. Got the Carhartt.
Oh yeah?
Yo, rate this transition in the comments. Oh shit, was that tough? Anyways, here's the fit of the day. So we got the Supreme exterior shirts, nice little necklace, got the baggy jeans, you already know. And that's it. All right, now I'm gonna pack my bag. Got my notebook. Got my earbuds to hype me up. Tripod 1, tripod 2, camera, drone, extra shirts for the boys, hoodie in case it gets cold, water bottle. Why is he built like that? Don't flame me, this is all I could find. We all strapped up, let's go. Yo, what's up, bro? What's up? How are you?
Hey, yeah.
You ready?
You ready?
Yes, sir. Oh yeah, boy.
Let's go.
It's currently been like around an hour. One of my boys got 1 sale, so that's great. I'm gonna give him 20% commission for that. So they're currently knocking. So the day's looking pretty good so far. And I didn't get a sale myself, but I did manage to get this free rug. The lady said she didn't want it, so I got it for free. It's like Moosehead Lager, my favorite beer, so. All right, so I'm just driving home right now, and it was a pretty good day, honestly. Besides the fact that it's colder than the North Pole, it was literally like -5. I was bundled up in a jacket. We honestly did pretty good. I personally did not get a sale myself because I was more focused on, you know, training the boys, but they each got a sale for $300. So that paid them each 60 bucks, and I'm gonna take care of the houses soon. But you know, they're learning really fast and they're gonna be knocking tomorrow, and I'm gonna keep posting, you know, how their progress is going. But overall, it's going great. I can smell all the money coming that we're gonna make from this season. So that was the very first day of me training the salesman. I made a total of 300 bucks, and those are only 2 salesmen. I have 2 more to go. So I'm gonna keep posting the journey. And as we get more salesmen trained, I'm gonna be posting videos like how much I can make in a week, how much I can make in a day, how much I can make in a month, how much my salesmen get paid, things like that. So if you wanna follow along with the journey, please make sure to subscribe down below if you like watching my videos, because I swear to God, 99% of you watching are not subscribed. Anyways, I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Toodles.